Good morning. Happy, healthy, fabulous. And I'm Ro, your happy mindset coach. And it's day 2 after surgery. And before I start anything else, I just want to shout out to some of the people that really helped me during my time there. And everyone was so wonderful. All the front desk people, I don't know all your names, but you were so sweet and kind and caring. And Stephanie and Blanca helped set me up when I first called and, helped me go through the process and gave me information. They were great. Ebony took care of me right before surgery and during surgery. She was wonderful, back and forth with emails. Anything you need, she would tell me, just email me. Fabulous. And Jenny, after surgery care, you were wonderful. I said, Dr. Laris, Laris, he is terrific. He is amazing, kind, sensitive, caring, and really good. And so I just want to shout out to everybody and say thank you. And all the people that were in the surgery room that I was introduced to, but I was out of it. I don't remember your names. Thank you. Okay. Now, why did I do it? People say, why did you do it? Well, I feel like my body is like this fabulous gift that I have. I told you that before. We talked about all the gifts that we have. If we have cars, if we have houses, we have all these wonderful gifts. And I feel like if I have a gift, I maintain it. So if you have a car and you maintain it, I had this one car, it was really old, but it was great condition. Joey Junk, I called it. It was just rusted on the outside. It had a fire on the inside before I got it. But the engine and everything was well maintained and taken care of. And it just ran great, right? I couldn't afford to get a new paint job, but hey, if I could have afforded to put that car in like super great shape on the outside, I would have done it. Would it have made it run better? No, but hey, it would have been beautiful, right? And surrounding yourself with beautiful things is part of fun, being happy. It's great. So I feel that my body's the same way. I take really good care of my body, as you know. I eat lots of raw nutrients. I get lots of hydration and sleep. I get lots of good sleep. I take care of my mind to make sure it's positive thoughts, positive beliefs. I stay happy. I stay focused. Well, sometimes I'm focused. Sometimes I'm not there. But, and I exercise. And so sometimes you just want to dress yourself up, put on a new dress, get a new hairdo. Well, not this hairdo, but get a new hairdo, use skincare, use lipstick, whatever. And this, procedures, it's part of it. It's just like getting a paint job. I didn't always have this flat lip because, I just lost my volume. So my girlfriend Brenda said, I'm going to give you a 75th birthday present. You're going to get a lip lift. Get rid of the flat lip. And then my husband said, oh, you love earrings. Let me do your ears. And then let's do the lift that you wanted. This is done with filler. It's called the Y lift. And a little bit of Botox. It's starting to kick in. And so I was like thrilled. So am I excited? Yes. Am I happy? Yes. Was it necessary? Absolutely not. But is it fun? Absolutely. And it's even going to be better when all the swelling goes down. But we'll see it gradually. Okay? So that's why I did it. All right. And stay fun, stay happy, insist on fabulous, and I'll see you tomorrow. We'll check out what's going on. Bye.